it's your girl Odd here with another video. So this video is going to be a haul video. So I have discovered Shop Miss A. Oh my god, why did I ever do that? What? Everything on this site is a freaking dollar. Like, are you kidding me? And it's like everything, all things beauty, makeup, little accessories like scarves and like just everything to do with makeup and being cute is on this site, and it's all a freaking dollar. Like, how can you ever beat that? And they give you free shipping if you spend $35. So just imagine how much shit you're gonna get for $35 freaking dollars. Oh my god, when everything is a dollar. Ridiculous. So I just got my box of stuff. So let's see what we got. So, the way I heard about this site, I follow Miss Muffins Is My Lovers. I absolutely love her. She does the greatest wig videos. I get all of my hair from her recommendations. Like, seriously, she's absolutely awesome at it. So if you don't know yet, I'm going to put her channel, I'm going to link her channel below because she is absolutely awesome. And she does this thing called Real Talk Wednesday where she gets people right in their problems and she responds and whatnot. Her channel is awesome, so go follow her for absolute sure. But anyway, Shop Miss A. What? But anyway, wait. Before we get into this box, before we do anything else, hello, subscribe, like, and comment below. Hello. Let's not forget that because, like I said, it's a great percentage of you that are watching my videos but are not subscribed. So please, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see. I'm very accommodating and I love you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate every single subscription, every single like, and every single comment. So let's do that first. Now let's get into this video. So I got some of everything from this site. I just opened the box, so I didn't even open anything yet. First thing I'll say that I already know is good is this Wonder Blender, because this is something that I already own, but I just wanted another one. This I find it to be so good because it's very nice and soft. It feels so good on your skin, and once you wet it, it's an absolute dream. It doesn't soak up too much product like some of them do. I absolutely love this sponge, so yes, I recommend this. The rest of the stuff I've never really tried. This is all brand new to me. But look at this, guys. How cute is this, right? For when you're doing your makeup and stuff, it's so pretty. I love it. And obviously it's pink. Duh, everything that I get is always pink. Hello. And it's so nice and soft. So yes, this is one of the things I got. I got some lashes from Cara Beauty. These were $1. Look at these. Look at how beautiful they are. Big and wispy. I love them. I am a big lash fanatic. Like I said in a previous video, I am now in the process of trying to start my own lash brand. So lashes, that's my signature. That's my favorite part of any makeup look is the freaking lashes. I got this. It's called a neckerchief. It's a cute scarf. Like, I feel like I'm gonna use this for my hair though. Like, I feel like I'm gonna tie up my hair with this. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like peach. It's like a plum purple color. Oh, this is so pretty. Yes. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? Look at the print. And this is $1. Like, what? The quality. Look at that. Like, and the quality, it feels so. I would have paid $10 for this. Like, I can honestly say, if this was in a store and they had a $10 price tag, that's how good the quality of this is. I definitely recommend you guys go to this site. Like, absolutely. I got some panties. Let's see what these look like. These were $1. Oh, they're cute, right? Look at how cute they are. These are a size medium. Got a little junk in my trunk, but they're good. I like panties that have lace on the top because, like, if you're thick like me, you know that those bands, like, it digs into your sides, and I hate that. So I like buying panties with this lace band on top. So those are good. Got those. Got these gray ones. These are a thong. These should be cute. Pink as usual, obviously. Like these full panties I usually wear for my monthly, but because I don't really like panties, but that's neither here nor there. But yes, these are cute. What else did I get? Oh, look at these Glow Baby drops. It's like illuminating liquid highlighters, and look at how many colors. Can you guys see it? Did it focus? Yes. I think I'll do a video as I try these because these are really, really pretty. This wasn't $1. I believe this box was $5, but $5, hello. I got some makeup remover wipes. Those are pretty standard, you know. Oh, these are cute. I got these little decals. See, I have this jean jacket that I've had forever, and it's like my favorite jacket. Little crop jean jacket, and I'm gonna put these on there just to spruce it up a bit because I've had it for like probably 10 plus years. You know, you have that favorite jean jacket that you just never want to get rid of, no matter what. It matches everything and it fits with everything. I think I'm gonna do a video of me customizing that jacket with these because I think these are really pretty. What else? Oh, I got these really cute headbands, which I'll probably give, well, I'm going to use them. I'm sure my daughter's going to use them as well. This is so pretty. Look how cute that is. With the cute little bow on top, right? I love it. And I got it that color. It was like a teal color. And I also got it in pink. Obviously, everything has to have one in pink. I got these brushes. Let's see what these brushes feel like because, again, like I said, they were $1. So I'm figuring if they're horrible, they're $1, so I won't feel too bad. Oh. I could see myself using this like for powder underneath my eye. It's called a AOA High Def Brush. See that? But it's really nice and soft. I didn't expect that. Ow. Uh-oh, I think I might have to get some more, of these brushes. Just off the strength of how they feel. This is an eye brush. Oh, they have numbers on there. So this one is the F5, this big one I just showed you guys. And this looks like an eye brush, and this is an E105. I'll have to give those a try. So this is more makeup, obviously. This is eyeshadow, pearl powder. It's like a loose pigment. It's a loose pigment powder. Focusing in. You guys see it? All right, it's like pink, like a pink shimmer. Everything is pink, obviously, duh. Oh, and this I think I'm gonna love. This is freaking lip gloss. Look at this. It's called Diamond Lip Gloss. Obviously, pink shimmer. Look at how pretty that is. Can you guys see the shimmer? That's so pretty. And I got these two glittering eyeshadow sticks. What is it? It's called Nia Brock, the brand. It says Nia Brock. And I got a green one and like an aqua blue one. Those should be pretty. And I got this black matte. Why do I have two? Oh, one is blue and one is black. Okay, I got these black matte eyeshadows. I got one in navy and one in black. We'll have to try those. I got this Gold Essence Natural Moisturizing Factor and Colloidal Gold make skin healthy and vitalizing. I don't think you can see it because it's reflective, but yeah, apparently it's infused with actual gold, and it's supposed to promote elasticity in your skin. Well, let's see. We never know, right? Got a bunch of bobby pins in different colors. You know, the shiny ones that you can use to actually style your hair, not just to hold it in place. Oh, this is one thing that I've been waiting for because Miss Muffins Is My Lovers was going in about this highlighter blush. It's called Lumi. Look at how pretty that is. Look at the color. That's so pretty. Let's swatch this right now. Oh my God, what? Do you see that? Can you guys see that pigment? Oh my God. This was $1. This was $1. I gotta do it again. Was that a fluke? Let's do it right in front of you. Look at that. That pigment is absolutely amazing. This was a freaking $1. Wow. Yeah, this site's about to get all my bread. So this is a little, what is this? A blush palette. How do you open this? All right, they make sure you don't get in. All right. This is a blush palette by the company Spectrum. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to try all of this out. Okay. What else did I get? I got some scarves as well because it's fall here in New York City. So it's time for this pretty scarves and whatnot. Oh, that's so nice. Just a cute red scarf. It's really, really soft. Nothing spectacular, just a regular red scarf. And this would be cute with like a black leather jacket or whatever. Yeah. So what else? This is the last thing. This is a scarf, another scarf. It is like a peach, like an orangey, peachy color, perfect for fall. I believe this is this an infinity scarf? Yeah, it is. This is an infinity scarf. This is perfect for right now's weather. Right? Just like that. It's pretty. You see the color? I love it. I got one for me and I also got one for my daughter. So, that's my haul. That's my Shop Miss A haul. I absolutely love all of this stuff. I can't wait to try the makeup. I'm gonna do a dedicated video just to the makeup that I got from them and those brushes. So that'll be coming soon. So if you'd like this video, I'm gonna put a link down below to their website, shopmissa.com, and I'll probably also put it here down below somewhere. So if you like this haul, go to their website and buy some stuff. Like, everything's $1. You cannot go wrong with that. So if you love this video, please like and comment below. Let me know what you like the most. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.